I need you to listen to something.
I didn't change any of the images. I did minor tweaks on the actual ad copy and campaign. Launched, dude, with a $10 budget just to test it out. I got 2 book calls already in 3 days. So the thing's badass.
All right, that's my friend Gary talking about our UpHex AI system. Now, UpHex AI system, it has 2 settings. One is B2C, and honestly, we nailed B2C over a year ago. We can give you awesome A+ graded ads that perform for your clients without any issue. But the harder nut to crack, and something that has never been done before, is getting you lead generation B2B, or in other words, filling your sales pipeline, your agency's sales pipeline with qualified booked appointments, just like Gary is right now. It was supposed to have been done 2 weeks ago. It is not done. We took it back to the drawing board. We're tweaking things. Now, if you guys have been paying attention to my Agency Sam saga, I'm introducing you to the different AI agents within that team. And I am I'm trying to explain to you guys why this is such an effective, dynamic, and amazing opportunity. If we do this right, you, Mr. or Mrs. Agency owner, will be able to have a chat with UpHex. UpHex will engage his entire crew, his entire team, and deliver for you booked calls, just like we're talking about with Gary here. So I need a couple things. Number one, this feature could change the agency game forever. It could be. We have been a trendsetter before. It is our hope that we do it again. Can't do it without you. Spread the word. Tag this. Comment on it. Tell us how excited you are about it. And then the second thing is, forgive us, be patient. It was supposed to be done 2 weeks ago, and it has to be right. This, of all the features we rolled out, the reason this one has to be right is because it's going to be the foundational feature that we're going to build an amazing platform on top of. The UpHex platform is amazing already, but what we build here and towards the end of the year, it's going to change the world. So we're excited about it. Let me hear your comments, your thoughts below.